Just breathe. We'll get you to safety. Just hold on. It'll be over.
This mural shows the moment they found the valley. It must have looked like a paradise. There it is. Maybe I can unblock it from here. Some kind of armory. This should do it. An ancient deer. Get clear of the door!
Thank you, Lara. They'll be safe in the catacombs for now. I know you seek the Divine Source, but my people will die to protect it.
Your people are already dying. You can't protect it forever.
We've lasted this long. But for now, I'm glad to have you as an ally.
They're converging on the tower. We still got people there.
Get the others to safety. They'll need you. Some sort of marker. Byzantine script, but I can't quite make it out.
The day I feared has come. There can be no...
The floor.
Lara, I'm here. But we're taking fire from the choppers. I need you to get Trinity's attention. Any way you can.
Leave it to me. I can do this.
Over here! We need your help! Throwing a grenade! Fire in the hole! Grenade out! Light her up! Throwing a grenade!
Looks like we've got the upper hand.
Good work. Those choppers should be in range soon.
They're here. We did it.
Lara, are you there? Trinity is swarming the tower. We're trapped in the catacombs beneath.
Damn! Just hold on! I'm on my way!
My...
Man down! Clear! Throw the grenade! Fire in the hole! Grenade out!
Team 5, we're heading into the catacombs. Need some backup here.
Got it. On our way. She's here!
You're damn right I am.
Hold this position! Push her back! Give me some fire now! Fist fire! Cover me! Reinforce her head! Pin her down! She's reloading! Let her out! He's hit! Taking fire! Under fire! Go! Keep your heads down! Cover me! Moving into position! Someone kill her!
Come and try! Come on!
Advancing to cover! Moving into cover! I'm under fire! He's gone! Take her out! Advancing, cover me! Focusing fire! He's gone! I got it! Cover me! I got you covered!
Hostile spotted!
Taking fire!
Jacob. They're gone.
I fear this battle is far from over.
Will you tell me more about this place?
You've earned that much. Come with me. In ancient times, our prophet brought the divine source to this valley. My ancestors built Kitezh to protect it from the outside world.
To what end? What is the divine source, Jacob?
An artifact from a time long forgotten. We believe it holds a fragment of God's soul. Legend tells us those who beheld the source were granted immortality. But others have always been drawn here, seeking its power.
Trinity.
Yes. They seek to spread their darkness across the world. With the source, their soldiers would be unstoppable.
Then help me find it before they do.
This is not your burden.
Of course it is. My father died for this.
You can't fill the emptiness inside you, Lara. You can only set it free.
I'm gonna find it. With or without you. Wait, Sophia, let me go. I have to do what I can.
You spilt blood for us. I want to help.
You know where the Atlas is?
The cathedral. In the archives below. But we won't follow you there.
Why? What will I find?
There are others. The Deathless Ones. They will kill any who trespass. My father believes they will stop Trinity.
I can't take that chance.
I know. Here. Take this. It will help you reach the cathedral.
Lara, if you're headed to the cathedral, Trinity will be everywhere.
I know, but I have no choice. young ones.
Another difficult winter for my people. There are more deaths and births.
Surrendered in the company. Watching. Have to turn him over.
They taking him back to the old prison?
Just the ones they think might know something about the Atlas. Constantine's gonna ask them a few questions. They've got the rest back up near the cathedral.
Someone's gonna have some fun.
That must be them. I was hoping they draw straws for that job. Oh well. How long you been on the payroll?
2 months. Hear that? This is my first web work assignment. Stay alert.
We're under attack! Spread out. Keep your eyes open.
Watch the bushes. She could be anywhere.
in trouble.
The hired guns can finish the sweep down here. We're needed back to base camp. Leave them to it. Roger, we're clear. Copy that.
Scrubbing this site, you men can head on up with the rest of it.
So what are we looking for exactly?
Command thinks the Atlas is beneath the cathedral. We're looking for anything that might...
I heard something. I'll take a
Like
look.
what exactly?
Don't go far. Documents, maps, anything that might confirm the incident.
Why don't
An
we
arrow.
go down and get it?
Someone's up there.
Do you think the natives are guarding it? We've already shown we can deal with it. Take it by force.
Listen, we're going to get commendation. Actually, you want to upgrade your contact with Trinity? Start looking, start asking questions.
Hey, I think I found some more of those gold coins.
Set it aside. It's not yours to take.
Huh? Come on. Spoils of war.
I sense you haven't fully grasped this yet. This is not a mercenary outfit. We have rules. You will be paid well if you will obey every command.
It's just a couple of fucking coins.
I gave you a direct order, just like I have a direct order from Constantine to execute anyone who disobeys. Do you follow?
Yeah, I got it. No problem. What the hell? An arrow. Oh, shit.
Security guard.
But what did he say? It's not his call, but he's gonna put a recommendation in for us both. Then there'll be an initiation ceremony of some sort. So that's it? That's all he can do? Look, some of those guys were on contract for years before Trinity gave them rank. You have to be patient. There's more to it than performance.
Hold up, I'm gonna check it.
Roger that.
An arrow! Ah, shit.
Hold up. Gonna check it. Roger that.
It's an arrow. Something's going on.
Must have been this way. Show yourself. one of ours. Shit! Weapons free! Contact! Moving into cover! I'm under fire!
Elias and I...
Heads up. We seem to have lost contact with the team sweeping the lower valley. Do you have eyes on them?
Negative. Possible hostiles?
Could just be radio interference, but Constantine's not taking chances.
We heard of the Prophet's arrival in Constantinople.
The stakes are too high.
We've reached the lower level, but we have another problem. We've lost our rear guard. No radio contact, no visual contact, just gone.
Then proceed without them.
That's outside mission protocol, ma'am. It's not necessary risk. Ma'am, I don't think we're alone down here. I need tactical support.
No, we're stretched too thin across this valley. If you feel you're being pursued, then I suggest you move faster. Kill an unarmed woman? That would be cold even for you, Lara. Then again, I know why you haven't pulled that trigger. Shoot me, and my men will cut you down within seconds. It's the one thing they're better at than you.
Shut up, Anna.
Don't move! You have nowhere to go!
Kill her! Now! Reconsider my offer, Laura, before it's too late.
It was too late the moment you betrayed my family. I'm getting the Atlas, Anna.
Something is slaughtering my men down there, Lara. If they can't find it, neither can you.
Go to hell! Clear the way a bit. I've got to get it clear of the fire. Maybe I can anchor it somewhere.
Some believe the...
Like I'll need another vessel. Jacob, I made it. I'm out.
Lara, thank God you're all right. Bring the Atlas to me in our observatory in the mountains.
I'm on my way.
Lara, are you up there?
Jonah, is that you?
Little bird! You're alive! I knew it!
My God. Jonah, what are you doing here? Where are you?
I'm up here in some kind of fortress. You can thank Jacob. His people picked me up half dead out on the tundra.
I can't believe you came after me.
Is that so hard to believe? I told you I got your back. I couldn't leave you out here alone.
I'm on my way up to you now. Don't go anywhere.
Hadn't planned on it. Be careful out there.